Today we hit the streets in Calgary, Alberta to let 10 strangers build my investment portfolio. Here's how it went. Excuse me, ma'am, how are you doing? I have a question for you. Okay, all good, no worries. All right, not going well so far, that's okay.
Most of them are pretty secure and you're not gonna go wrong with your money in there.
I think we got some finance bros coming up. They got vests on, they look like they're out for lunch.
I would stay away from Bitcoin altogether. No, because people think it's going out of style.
Yeah.
It's growth.
I don't think I should point a spatula at people. So here's how things are gonna work. I'm gonna put $1,000 of my real money into an account and we are gonna let 10 strangers choose 10 different stocks. So they're each gonna have 10% of the portfolio. And by the end of it, I'm gonna go out and I'm gonna spend $1,000 filling up this portfolio. And we're gonna see how it compares to the S&P 500 over the next few months. Here we go. Okay, it's time. I'm gonna start walking up to people and asking them for their opinion and some financial advice about what they think we should invest our $1,000 into. Here we go. Sir, how you doing? Would you like to be in our video? Can we ask you a couple questions? Excuse me, ma'am, how are you doing? I have a question for you.
Sorry.
Okay, all good, no worries. All right, not going well so far, that's okay. We're trying to get unsolicited financial advice from strangers. Okay, we've got some people here. Come on over, come on over. How's it going today? Good, I'm doing well. My name is Zach. What's your name?
Jacob.
Jacob, nice to meet you. What's your name?
Ariana.
Ariana?
Yes.
Nice to meet you. Okay, come on over. So here's what's happening. So if you were to invest for me, what would you put that money into?
I don't really know too much about stocks, but I'd say probably just like the S&P 500.
S&P 500? That's what we should do at the first position? S&P 500. Now, my question is, why did you choose the S&P 500?
Because it's like the top 500 companies. And most of them are pretty secure and you're not going to go wrong with your money in there.
I like it.
As far as I know at least, right?
Hey, I like it, man. I appreciate it. That feels like a safe investment. Thank you for keeping my money safe and thank you for joining us in the video today. I appreciate it.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. All right, that was a good start. That was a good start. My money feels safe so far in the city of Calgary. My money feels safe. I think we got some finance bros coming up. They got vests on. They look like they're out for lunch. I think we got to ask these two guys coming up on my right here. Gentlemen, can I ask you a question? We need some financial advice.
You got a flipper.
Yeah, it's got the microphone on it. And we need you guys to come up with the second position for our portfolio.
What you can invest in?
Yeah, so
Pot
you are...
stock.
Yeah?
The pot stock.
And so,
retail.
Which one would you suggest?
I don't know. 420.
420?
Yeah.
Okay, you're going pot stock. Okay, I'm gonna figure out what company owns 420 and we'll either buy that or we'll buy something similar. Guys, take care. How you doing, man?
I'm all right. What is this?
Okay, we're building a portfolio of stocks. Here is your microphone.
Fucking lumber.
Lumber? Lumber, okay, I like it. Do you know any lumber companies?
West Fraser.
West Fraser? Okay, why lumber?
It's going to be gone. No, because people think it's going out of style.
Yeah.
But trees grow.
Trees grow.
So
they've got like a never-ending supply. Is that what?
Pretty close.
Okay, I got you.
Yeah, and like when you grow it to make green, eventually you're going to cut it down because it's not producing any more CO2.
Yeah.
So they're going to plant it and then they're going to make lumber out of it.
I got you.
I don't know how stocks work, so.
No, but lumber. You're saying lumber's the spot to be, hey?
Yeah.
How you doing, man?
It's for
Are you in the finance industry?
no,
What do you do?
just a little bit.
A little bit. Okay. Okay, you're gonna like this. I need your financial advice on what we should do with the fourth position.
Are you doing any fixed?
Yeah, we can
income?
do fixed income, whatever you recommend.
It's definitely an interesting time I would say right now because I think for the first time since the Great Depression, it's been the first time that equities and bonds have been down at the same time. Usually if like equities are down, bonds are up, or bonds had a bad year, equities are up. So it's an interesting time coming out of this. One that comes to my mind right now, Mackenzie Unconstrained Fixed Income is a fund.
Okay.
Anybody could buy. Yeah.
I like it. What do you do for work?
I work for Scotia Wealth.
Oh, sweet. We asked the right guy. You were hesitant to answer my first question, weren't you?
Because I don't want you to be biased. But yeah, I work for Scotia Wealth.
We should almost stock you guys. Totally. Hell yeah.
Yeah, come on over. All right, but you got to hold the spatula.
Spatula.
Yeah.
I think Meta.
Meta. All right. All right, we'll put down Meta. We'll put down Meta for you.
Hey man, you never know. Maybe.
You never know. Maybe maybe it takes off. All right, guys, surprise guest today. My brother was walking down the street. What would you say should be our 6th position here? What is the next thing that we should invest into?
You're 6? Who picked the first 5?
Strangers.
Stranger?
Yeah, like I've been pulling in strangers off the street.
Oh, interesting. Okay, I would go Apple.
Apple.
Yeah.
You're saying Apple. Why Apple?
Well, is this a long-term investment? Oh, and it's only $1,000.
It's only $1,000. We're trying to beat the S&P 500.
Apple.
Apple? That's your pick? Why Apple?
I had stocks in it for a long time. It's done well for a long time. I think it'll continue to do well for a long time.
Trust in Tim Cook?
Yeah.
But you're saying Apple for position number 6.
Yeah.
I appreciate it. All right, you guys, quick update. We have changed locations. We are now outside of Bankers Hall here in downtown Calgary to get a slightly different demographic. So far, the portfolio is actually looking a lot safer than I thought it was going to be. We got the S&P 500, we've got one greenleaf company, we got a lumber company, we got fixed income, and then we got Meta and Apple. We've got 4 spots left. So let's see what the people of Bankers Hall recommend. How you doing, sir? Do you want to be in our YouTube video? All right, no worries. Ma'am, would you like to be in our YouTube video? Okay. I don't think I should point a spatula at people. How you doing, man? Do you want to be in our YouTube video? Okay, so far we're not having a lot of luck finding bankers at Bankers Hall, but we're gonna be persistent. Look at those loafers. The loafers, clear sign of a banker. He saw me. He made eye contact and he left. Sir, we're looking for some financial advice for a video. Could you help us out? My man, I'm looking for some financial advice. Can you help me out? I got a portfolio and I need help building it. We're filming a YouTube video. What would you recommend? What is your financial advice for our 7th position?
AWS.
AWS?
Yeah.
What is, like, ticker symbol AWS?
So like
What is
Amazon
it?
Web Services.
Oh, like Amazon.
Yeah, Amazon Web Services.
But I don't think, I can't buy the,
Is that on there?
I don't think I can buy, like, can I buy AWS separately? Or it's
believe
just,
so.
really?
Can you?
I don't think
Have
so.
to look into that.
We'll have to look into it, but otherwise Amazon.
Okay, let's put Amazon.
Put Amazon? Okay. Why do you like AWS? What's the story? Why AWS?
Why? Just they're everywhere right now. They're just a monster. It's why would you not want to ride that train?
You want to be in our YouTube video?
I saw you looking. Come over here. Come on. Okay, I've got a $1,000 portfolio. Based on your financial advice, what should we take for the 8th position?
I don't know, how much is your risk intake?
So far the portfolio actually feels a lot safer than I thought it was going to be. So we can go full risk if you want. I just have to be able to buy it on like a mobile exchange.
Oh, okay. You know what? Just go cryptocurrency, man.
Go crypto.
Bitcoin.
Bitcoin.
Yeah.
All right, we'll buy a Bitcoin ETF.
Yeah.
That's what you're saying, hey?
Yeah.
Would you invest? Are you invested in Bitcoin?
No.
You're not invested.
Well, my
You're
risk
giving.
intake
You're
is
telling me. Oh, it's low. Okay.
Yeah, it's low. So I'm an academic. So
An academic. What do you invest into?
I invest into my education.
Fair enough. Good answer. Good. How you doing, sir? We're filming a YouTube video and we need some financial advice. Would you like to be in the video? Could you help us out? And we need your advice for what should be position number 9.
Okay, can I think first?
Yeah. No, talk to us about what's going through your head.
I'm thinking about diversity, and I personally like to have a diverse portfolio.
Yeah.
I would stay away from Bitcoin altogether. I would definitely put it into oil and gas, probably a midstream ETF.
Midstream ETF. I love it. What's your name?
Sean,
What do you do for work, Sean?
I work for midstream companies.
Sweet. Okay. I love it. Right on. Thank you so much. Fun.
How quick is this? Because I'm on my
It's like a minute. Come here. Okay, so let me break it down for you. I've got $1,000 that we're putting into an investment portfolio, and we're letting strangers choose the portfolio and build it out. And you are the last spot in the portfolio. You are the last person here. So, based on what you see in the portfolio, what would you invest the last position into?
Can I be perfectly honest with you?
Yeah, of course.
I'm a finance student.
Really? Perfect.
I'm gonna say Tesla. because
Tesla.
Tesla's really low right now.
Yeah?
And it should go back up.
So you like Tesla stock. Why do you like Tesla? Because it's undervalued, it's underpriced, is that what you're getting at?
He just, pretty much, yeah. He just won't quit, so I'm hoping that it'll go back up.
All right, everybody, I'm back at home, and now it is time to build this portfolio and actually invest this money. I've already e-transferred $1,000 into a brand new investing account, and for this video series, we are going to be using a new software called Flamingo. Flamingo is a Canadian-based company, and they're a mobile trading platform that has all of the bells and whistles like commission-free trading and e-transfer funding and withdrawals and fractional investing, so you can buy like $10 worth of an Apple share. So it's really, really great, but what they do amazingly well is constructing and building and managing a portfolio over the long term for long-term wealth creation. And I'm going to show you exactly what that looks like as we build this portfolio. So as you can see, I've got $736 worth of US dollars because I've already converted $1,000 Canadian into USD since we're buying primarily US securities. And now to build this portfolio, I'm going to click on the plus button, and we are going to call this pie the stranger's pie, because that is who basically built this portfolio. We built it from strangers out on the street. And now in order to build this pie, all we need to do is basically type in the securities or click on the securities that we want in our pie. We can see Apple right there. I'm going to click on add to pie, and now it has been added to our portfolio. If I type in Amazon, it's going to come up here in the search bar, and I'm going to be able to add it to the portfolio. And we'll do the exact same thing here with Meta and Tesla because they're really easy to do. So we'll just get those out of the way here, and then we'll talk about some of the other ones that we have to buy. The next one here was Bitcoin. Somebody suggested Bitcoin, and unfortunately you can't buy cryptocurrency through this app, but we can buy an ETF that tracks Bitcoin, and the ticker symbol for that is BTF, so we will add that to the portfolio. We also had somebody suggest a midstream oil and gas ETF. Unfortunately, we don't have one of those, but I did go through all of the midstream oil and gas companies, and I chose the one that I liked the best. It was called Hess Midstream, so we will be adding that one to the portfolio right here. We also had somebody that requested fixed incomes. Now, the one that they suggested was through Mackenzie. We don't have one through Mackenzie that's available on Flamingo, but we do have one that is available through Columbia, so we're going to go with that one. The ticker symbol for that is DIAL. We also had somebody suggest 420 Market. Unfortunately, they're a privately held company, so they don't have a stock that we can trade, but I did find one similar in the company Sundial, so we are going to go with them. Ticker symbol SNDL. After that, we had somebody suggest Lumber. That was actually at the beginning there. Unfortunately, the two companies they suggested aren't available, but they did have another company. I believe it was the second or third largest lumber company in the world. Ticker symbol UFPI, and they're a lumber company. They go out, they get trees, and they manufacture them into a variety of different products. So pretty much the exact same market. And the first person actually suggested the S&P 500. Now we are in US dollars, so I'm going to go with the IVV ETF by BlackRock and iShares. We're going to add that to the portfolio here. Click on return, and now we have 10 stocks in our portfolio. So this is beautiful. Now, this is the really cool part. When I click on set allocation, this is what makes this app different from all of the other competitors. This app is built around building a portfolio. So now you can see all of the different securities in our portfolio, and you can type in exactly what percentage you want each security to be in your portfolio. For us, though, it's even easier because we're going to split everything evenly at 10%, just like we told everybody, which is really, really nice. One step right there. We'll click on continue, and then it gives us a diagram of our portfolio, a summary of the allocation of that portfolio. When we click on confirm here, we can then choose exactly how much we would like to invest. For us, it's going to be the entire $736.12. We're going to click on submit here, and now it is going to basically process and confirm our order. We have to get a heads up here that the funds have been allocated according to the percentage you chose in the pie creation process. We have to acknowledge that, and we have to basically confirm the allocation and how much we would like to buy of each stock. We have to confirm the buy order right here, and the market is actually closed right now as I place this order, which means that it's probably going to place this order tomorrow. As you can see, the order has been submitted, the pie has been created, we are all done here, and now hopefully tomorrow when we make up and the market opens, we will have our entire portfolio that has been built by strangers. I'm actually really happy with how this turned out, and I'm excited to see how this compares to the S&P 500. So I'll probably make an update video in about 1 month, but within that time period, make sure you click that subscribe period, because I'm releasing a weekly stock watch list that you're not going to want to miss. And if you want to check out any of the resources that I use, check out the links down below. But click that subscribe button, and we'll see you in the next video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and we'll talk to you soon.